girl, you just need to stop making excuses and just start. I literally remember the day when I finally made the decision to take care of my own health and fitness years ago, without a clue about how to start or how to reach my goals. I remember being this shy girl who honestly just wanted to hide because I was unsure of what I was doing. But fast forward a few years and here I am, transformed both physically and mentally. And I can finally say that I'm this confident woman that I always aspired to be, and I'm honestly generally happy about how I look. I know that a 10-year-old me wouldn't believe how much I've changed. And that's why in today's video I'm going to guide you through starting your own journey and achieving even more, because I know how hard it is, especially at the beginning. But you don't need to make those mistakes that I did. So in today's video we'll cover everything from training to nutrition and lifestyle changes. So grab a notepad and let's get started. So the first thing is that you have to define your goals. It's really important to have that clear understanding on what we actually want to achieve. Do you want to lose some weight? Do you want to gain muscle mass? Do you want to work on your performance at the gym? Or do you just want to feel healthier? What is it exactly that you want to achieve? Having a specific goal will give you a direction, and it's much easier to actually stick to the goal if we have one. If we take losing weight as an example, it's probably not very realistic to lose 20 kilo in a month, right? And guess what's gonna happen if we won't reach our unrealistic goal? We might just say, you know what, it's not working, what's the point, or even continue that journey. So yes, set yourself a goals that are realistic. Okay, so now when you have a goal in mind, I want you to think about your why. And so why is this goal important to you? I want you to think about short-term and long-term answer to this question. This will keep you motivated and give you that extra push that sometimes we all need. So your short-term why might be because you have a holiday in 3 months and you just want to feel good for it. And when it comes to your long-term why, maybe it's because you want to feel confident, maybe you want to feel strong, empowered, maybe you just want to feel happy or healthy in your body. So again, we have to be really realistic here. Remember that you are starting your journey, and I know that you are probably motivated now, but you have to think about sustainability as well. If you're gonna set yourself a goal of going to the gym 6 times per week, maybe it will be sustainable for you for the next 2 weeks when you are motivated. Maybe you are off right now. I mean, you're probably very focused on that goal right now, which will make you go to the gym, 6 times per week. But after 2-3 weeks, let me tell you that it's just too much. You need to create a workout schedule for you that's actually working in the long term, not just for the next few weeks. Consistency is key, so you have to plan your workouts around your schedule. You have to think about that sustainability and how many times per week you can actually do your workout. Do not set yourself a goal of going to the gym 6 times per week, running twice a week, and attending 4 yoga classes. It's just overwhelming and not sustainable in the long run. Start small and build from there. It's much better to begin with manageable steps and gradually add more as you go. This way you'll avoid feeling disappointed and discouraged when you can't keep up with those ambitious plans. I really want you to remember that if you're only starting out, you actually don't have to go to the gym, maybe if you're not confident enough to do so. I started my fitness journey from home. I was literally watching YouTube videos. I'm pretty sure that the lady it was Mel B. I'm not 100% sure, but like 90% that it was Mel B, and I was doing exercises from YouTube. So yes, you can start your fitness journey from home. You don't need even any equipment. Obviously, if you plan to stay at home, maybe you're not planning to go to the gym, you can obviously invest in some equipment with time, but really at the beginning of your fitness journey, you don't need that much, so just start. I actually just wanted to pause in here and take a moment before we dive into the next topic to emphasize something very important. Starting your fitness journey doesn't have to mean doing home workouts or lifting weights. Fitness is all about finding movement that feels good for your body. Whether that's swimming, walking, hiking, or even a horse riding, whatever that is, the only thing that matters is that you're enjoying that yourself and you stay active. I'm sharing what I love because I enjoy it, and that is lifting weights. But your fitness journey is unique. The key is to find activities that you actually enjoy and that keeps you moving. So explore different options and discover what makes you feel good, because that's where you'll find the most long-term success and satisfaction. Remember that nutrition plays a huge role when it comes to achieving your goals, and nutrition have to match your workouts and your lifestyle. It's not just about eating less or eating more, it's also about actually eating right. Trust me that nutrition really can be simple, and most of your diet should come from less processed food, okay? But it doesn't necessarily mean that you have to cut out any food groups from your diet, and actually you shouldn't really do that. One of the biggest misconceptions out there is that when you're dieting, you have to completely give up your favorite foods. But the truth is, it's not about cutting out everything you love. It's all about finding balance. You still can really eat food that you actually enjoy in your diet. You don't have to cut out any of those foods that you might think that you have to cut out. You have to have that balance, and that's it. Forget about the words dieting and start thinking about changing your nutrition habits for the long term. Now, let's talk about the calories. If you're just starting out your fitness journey, don't stress about counting every single calorie. And remember that calorie counting is just a tool. It is not necessarily at this stage. Instead, focus on making better food choices, such as prioritizing less processed foods, aim for high protein meals, include plenty of fruits and vegetables, and don't forget your healthy fats and both complex and simple carbohydrates. Trust me, just by making those adjustments, you'll start seeing positive changes in your body. If you reach a point where progress stalls, that's when you can consider counting calories to fine-tune your approach, especially if you have a specific goal like losing or gaining weight. If your goal is simply to feel better and live healthier, you don't even have to worry about that. Remember that nutrition and out training is the most important nutrition throughout your day. So obviously whatever you eat before your workout, this is what gonna fuel your workout, your performance. And then after the gym, when you finish your session, you have your meal, and this is something that's gonna help you to recover quicker. So this is something that's gonna fuel your recovery. That's why it's so important, and I'm always saying that to my clients, you have to really take care of those meals around your workout. When it comes to nutrition around your workouts, let's keep it simple. Have a meal 1 to 1.5 hours before your session that includes both carbohydrates and protein. If you're eating closer to your workout, keep the fat content low to avoid slowing down your digestion. Also, the closer to your workout, the simpler the carbs should be. After your workout, make sure to refuel your body with, again, protein and carbohydrates. Make sure not to leave more than 4 to 5 hours between your pre- and post-workout meals. This timing helps your body recover and get ready for your next session. Another thing is that your fitness journey shouldn't be only about moving more. It should be actually a lifestyle change. If you want to be healthier, you actually have to look at all the aspects of your life, not just on your nutrition or on your workouts. Remember, fitness is about more than just exercise and diet. By prioritizing sleep, hydration, and stress management, you're setting yourself up for long-term success and overall well-being. Mindset change. I feel like this is something that not many people take into consideration when it comes to starting or continuing their fitness journey. But let me tell you that if your mindset is set on your goal, you just won't lose. You're just gonna get where you want to be, whether that's gonna take you a month or whether that's gonna take you, I don't know, a year or even 10. I'm gonna try to post a few mindset podcasts that I've been listening to, or some audiobooks, because this is what I love to do. I feel like you don't need to go to therapy to actually change your mindset. There's like plenty of podcasts, plenty of audiobooks, or even YouTube videos that's going to help you to change your mindset completely. And I would say that this is something that happened to me before. If you would meet me like 10 years ago, I was really shy. I was never like very confident. I am now really confident. I really believe in myself. I really trust myself, my judgment, you know. So yeah, that changed me a lot. Okay, you have to invest in yourself, and that can mean investing your time or your money. So let's talk about investing your time into your education. So there are plenty of YouTube videos, podcasts, articles that will really help you in your fitness journey. If you don't have a lot of time, you can then invest your money into a personal trainer or an online coach that will obviously give you guidance on what you should be doing, and obviously also educate you on those things. Remember that getting help from someone that already doing it and already helping other people will make your results come faster. Finally, I just wanted to say, start small, but just start. It is overwhelming to start. The beginnings are always the hardest, and this is something that you have to remember, but it will get easier with time, and you just have to start. You don't even have to start with doing those workouts. Maybe you can start with adding more fruits and vegetables into each of your meal. And maybe you can start with doing a little bit more steps, or maybe you can start by having a bedtime routine and focusing on your sleep. If you found this video helpful, remember to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to leave me a subscribe. There are more videos just like this one coming very, very soon. If there's anything specific that you'd like me to go over, just leave your comments below and I will try my best to help you all.